Don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me. I've got Lake Michigan directly behind me, and I've got my fire going here. It's quite loud. I'm trying to yell. Today, me and Thor just thought we'd have a day out at Harrington Beach, make us a little steak for our lunch, and I picked up this this IPA triple beer from Belgium. It says, look, it's got my likeness on it, so I figure I had to give it a try with this. Trying to broaden my horizons a little bit more and try a few more beers. So, you know what? It's pretty good. That's gonna go good with that steak. I'm not a beer guy. I don't know how to judge this, but I think my father would approve of this one. I think we're about ready. We both like our steaks kind of raw. Well, they definitely smell good. They look pretty done. That's going to be Thor's chunk. Mine could go a little bit more, but it's all good. Oops. Just trying to avoid that. Let's try and prop that back up underneath there. There we go. Cut Thor's up for him. I remembered, you know, my knife and my little utility camping spork, and then I forgot any type of plates. And I thought, oh, well, I can find a good chunk of wood and carve it down into a plate for us, and that didn't happen. Everything out here is just soaked. So getting the fire going wasn't too hard, but it took me about an hour to get it to where I could cook on it. I thought I was going to have to just cook on the coals, but I was able to get the fire going. I don't know if we're allowed to have a fire right now. They have public fire rings and grills, and the only sign I see says fires in grill and fire rings only. But they don't sell firewood this time of year or anything, so you know, we might be doing something we're not supposed to out here, but we're being safe about it. So when I lit the fire, I did bring some a bag of dryer lint because I knew everything was going to be wet. Ended up going through that whole bag. Did not expect that to happen. So there's Thor's. Mine's going to simmer a little bit longer. That's Lake Michigan directly behind us. Our campfire's right behind the camera. There's a little fire ring there, and there's a picnic table and even a bench over here. So we're enjoying life pretty good. Decided not to go up to the northern woods for a little camping trip. It's a lot of snow up there. Didn't want to deal with that, so figured, might as well come do a hike. Bought the steak at Myers, brought it over here. We're having a pretty good, relaxing morning. Right, buddy? How's that? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I will give it to you. Look. There you go. That's yours. I figure, since I didn't bring any plates, go ahead and just stick them on the table. The table would probably be safe enough to eat off of. That's pretty good. Hey, no. I will give it to you. Hey. You don't just take, buddy. You gotta see this guy. I got just the camera for him. How's that steak? You enjoying that? So we're gonna sit here after this and watch the lake, and I'm gonna have myself a smoke. Hold on, I'll give you a piece. There you go. We were gonna go on our little camping trip up into the northern woods this weekend, do some bushcraft. Decided not to. I'm just still worn out from all that overtime at work. But I thought, we'll come over here again, do some hiking, cook out. Be a lot of fun. You okay, dude? I like that fatty piece. I don't like the fatty piece either, dude, so you don't have to eat it. He's having a good old time. See, you don't gotta go out in the middle of nowhere to enjoy the outdoors. You just gotta know where to go. We've only seen like 2 other people out here today. The one guy was kind of giving me this weird warning, so I'm wondering if he saw a sign that said it wasn't supposed to have the fire going. But we're gonna put it out here in a little bit. Hey, don't be looking up out of this thing. I'm eating out of here. So yeah, we're gonna put that out. I'll heat up the pan, rinse it out with the water I brought. Make sure the fire's all out good. And we're sitting back, have that pipe, enjoy the view of Lake Michigan, and we hope you liked our little video here. Thor, say goodbye to your fans, dude. No, I'm not. I mean, I'm your fan, but yeah, okay. I don't know if I packed the pipe wrong or if it's just the wind and I can't keep it lit or whatever, but I guess the smoke's not going to happen, but that's okay because I've got this fantastic beer and my best buddy and this gorgeous view. I mean, what more could you ask for, right?